A nice cloudy day outside. It'd be a beautiful day to cut some wood. Oh yeah, look at that. I think it's time to get rid of it. Looks pretty gross and pretty insulated. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. That's probably one of the reasons why this thing stopped working. Insulation knife. I was worried this tank would have some of this foam stuck to it all the way around, but there's a nice layer of plastic beneath it. So this won't be too bad at all. Foam is off. Wasn't too bad at all, except for this big pile of junk I gotta get rid of. Tank is nice and bare. I don't think I'll get very many valuables out of it, but oh geez, it's almost like it was meant to be. Little blue RTV silicone to hold those elements in. The good thing I just use it for the in-floor heating in the garage. Okay, so this 184 liter or 48 gallon tank weighs in at 80 pounds fully stripped. These two thermostat housing here are aluminum. I don't want to dig too much inside of a thermostat because we all know what's in there. So I might just take that out because I'm this far into it and seeing what else it looks like inside. Even the elements inside aren't pure copper. And here's the total haul. Not even enough to weigh. Was scrapping that tank worth it? Not for me. With all the foam I took out and everything to put in the garbage, it definitely wasn't worth it. I think the only thing that made this worth it was this shark bite fitting right here. So the only way I would do this again is if I had a special project, like